In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious roasted pork tenderloin recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 2 pork tenderloins, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 2 garlic cloves shredded, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. In a bowl, we're going to add in the salt, pepper, oregano, garlic, and mix until completely combined. We're going to spread oil onto both sides of each of the pork tenderloins. Now we're going to add in our seasoning mixture and we're going to rub it in well on both sides. In a pan over heat, we're going to add our pork tenderloin and cook until golden brown. Once golden brown, we're going to flip and cook until golden brown again. Once golden brown, we're going to take out onto a baking sheet. Bake this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. We're going to use our thermometer to check the temperature of the meat, and we want it to be at least 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we can slice our pork tenderloin. Our roasted pork tenderloin is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.